Hi, welcome to A Traveling Palette. This video is actually a continuation of part 1 in our air fryer curry chicken recipe. So, if you haven't viewed video number 1, please stop what you're doing, go back and view that first, and then come back to this video. Because the earlier prep is very important to how this dish actually turns out. So, check out part 1 and then come back here. And if you like what you see, be sure to click the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell button, just press all the buttons and follow us to see when we upload another video. See you soon and enjoy. Okay, so I let the chicken marinate for 2 days, and now I'm going to air fry some of this. But you know, I was doing some research on some air fryers, and I'm gonna get me one. But right now I have a countertop convection oven. As a matter of fact, let me turn that on. I'm gonna set that to 400 degrees on the convection setting. So I'm gonna air fry this in the convection oven because when I did a little research, I learned that the air fryers are nothing more than convection ovens. I feel that the smaller the convection oven, mine's a Cuisinart that I got some years ago. 7 years ago, apparently. And I know that because I was looking it up. I was looking up some new ones on Amazon, and then apparently my old model came up and it told me that, oh, you purchased this in 2011. I was like, oh, okay. So any event, my container is lower because I actually made some and I forgot to record. So I am going to air fry some of these without any breading, okay? Air fried curry chicken. Delicious. You just wait. I remember the first time I did this, I was like, oh my God. Lovely. And I'm laying it on their back side. I do another one of these. I'm gonna lay them on their back side. You wanna give them a little bit of room to breathe, you know? A little bit of room. I want to make sure I have enough space so I can maybe just finish this in the next round of cooking. I don't want to be cooking forever. Let's see, I want to do 2 rounds and call it a night. Oh, I already applied a little coconut oil to the grate, okay? And as a matter of fact, this grate here, I got that on Amazon, and I'll try to remember to put a link in the description so you can get it too. This right here, so if you have a convection oven at home already, you know, I was trying to find something that would maximize the entire space here, and if my memory serves me well, it's 11 inches by 11 inches. Or is it 12 inches by 12 inches? Hold on. Okay, so it's 12 by 12 inches by 12 inches. And it was very challenging. Like, I couldn't find a square grate to fit inside this. And apparently you couldn't just order one of the other grates, like the one that this pan sits on in the Cuisinart. I couldn't find that. And I was like, Lord, well, I want to maximize my cooking surface. So I said, let me take a chance and order the 12 by 12, the 12-inch circle. So that's what I got, and it fits just perfectly inside the toaster oven, my convection toaster oven. So we're gonna put this inside. I'm gonna turn you around. It's really not that complicated. We'll see how this works. So I put that on the lowest rack, and I have the rack right side up. You'll see it's can you tell this? You see the curve is on the bottom? Yes, the curve goes to the bottom. Normally when I'm toasting bread, I have the curve facing up. So we're just gonna put that in the Cuisinart convection oven. You know what, let's just do this. It's this old model, and it's more than fine. And it's going to cook for 15 minutes on one side is what I generally do. And then we'll do 10 minutes on the other. Okay, so the first round is out. That looks perfect. Look at that. Well, I'll let you see it in a minute. Look at that. I turned it over after 15 minutes, and then I cooked it for another 10 minutes on the other side. It's a little bit of a crack. And these, again, are not breaded. No flour or anything on them. Can you hear that? Look at that. Can you hear that? Can you? Oh. I gotta put this over here and try it. Let me get the next round going first. Let's see how quickly we can get these done. Again, that was no time at all, right? 15 minutes on the first side, and then 10 minutes on the other, and you're done. Okay. Air fryer curry fried chicken, y'all. Let's see. Which piece should I get? I just thought about how Wendy Williams always says, I'm not going to be that black person who eats chicken on film. Oops. This is good. I gotta put the plate down. This is lovely. You're gonna love it. Your family's gonna love it. Well, I hope you love it. That is lovely. The next time I make it, I got a special treat for you. Let's try another piece. Why not? We've already gone down that river. That is so good. So, if you've purchased an air fryer recently, throw some curry chicken in it. If you have an old countertop convection oven, find yourself a rack. And by the way, actually I kept saying it wrong. That rack is the rack that I put it on. It's 11 inches round, and the one I got happens to be 2 inches high. Don't get that. That's going to be too high. Just get the 1 inch high and you'll be good. Because then you won't have to flip your grate around all the time. So 11 inches around, 1 inch high, and you are straight. The juices just flew out my mouth if you saw that. I'll share it is what it is. That is lovely. I guess I should share this with the family, huh? See you next time. Enjoy.